Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Carsa Cardeen. Look at the view. Today, I'm taking you guys in to see this $19 million home. I'm going to take you guys in, so let's go inside
She's
and
in
check
love.
it out.
She's in love. She's in love.
It's
She's in love.
amazing.
She's in love. This is such an amazing pool. This pool is at least 100 feet long. And it overlooks the bay and Miami Beach. So I just want to start and show you guys the back, and then I'll take you guys in. This is such an amazing place to be. I like using the word amazing every time I'm speechless. So you have a combination of synthetic grass with real grass right here. The house comes with its own dock. And you have those expansive view of the canal. So you don't have to worry about the width of your boat or your yacht living here. And this is the view you get. So look at this. Tell me this is not amazing. So this is the pool that I showed you guys earlier. That very long pool. It has a glass. You could sit here and watch your wife swimming, and you could see her. Excuse the plane. And then you have livestock here. You see, look at them. The entire bay within your house. So here's your dock. You have a boat lift, which is very important. So during those hurricanes, or if you want to protect your boat, you could just lift your boat out the water.
Show you that you have a 22-ton lift that you can put your boat on, and you also can fit an 80 feet boat.
Yes.
Right here. How amazing is this? If you're into boating, you're going to absolutely love this home. And look at the view that you get. This is your home, and that's the beautiful pool. Stunning.
I am sold with the pool. I mean, I guess at first it was 75, but after measuring it, it's 75 feet long. So I wasn't that far off. It's 23, 22 yards or something like that? Yes, of water.
Yes, it's like 130 feet of water.
Yes, and the back, yes.
So, absolutely love it.
So this is where you could put your 80 foot between the pylon, as long as it can fit between the pylon, or even on the other side. You could put an 80-foot boat right here or even here, and then your 22 tons, like she said. This is so amazing back here.
Stunning.
So without further ado, let's get inside. Oh, this is another thing I forgot to tell you guys. This is your entrance. You gotta see this.
Guys, there's two things that I absolutely love about this home, which one is the entrance and the pool, of course. So let me show you this grand entrance. I love that you could definitely close this off, and then just look at the entrance that you get to the outside. Ta-da! You have a seating area right there, and then you have this grand.
So the house, when you're entering, you enter in this nice long corridor, which is basically the pool on top, and all those columns obviously are there as support column for the weight of the pool. But I just wanted to show you guys the entrance. And then of course you have your 2-car garage. It's high enough that you could use lift and turn it into a 4-car garage. So forgive me, I didn't start with the entrance, but the house is so beautiful, I had to start on top. So this is the house in a nutshell. Okay, let's get inside because there's so much to see. So again, I'm gonna walk you guys through the corridor that I came in, and then we're gonna go inside. Tell me this is not magnificent. And then you also have an, I would call this an oculus, although it is really not an oculus. This is a rectangle, but we could call it skylight. When you walk in, look how beautiful she is.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, look at her cake. So when you walk in, obviously you have your baby grand right here. So in the lower level, you have your sitting area. And you have a very detailed ceiling. So what do you think so far, Carsa? You like the U shape of the kitchen?
I love everything about this home.
Oh, she's in love.
I am.
Pot filler. You have gas stove, which actually cooks better. And then you have your dining room. And what's down here?
You have your wine cooler. And you have one bathroom down here.
So this is almost look like the, yeah, that's a half a bathroom.
And then you have tons of closet.
Yes, you do.
So this is where you store your china.
Yes. You know, who doesn't want to store their china? Then your wine storage is right here. It's a good size. This probably leads to the garage.
Actually, this is your laundry.
Oh, okay.
Laundry room. And then you
Come to the bathroom. So you could turn this into a maid's quarter too. That's why there's a bathroom here. Okay.
This is what takes you to your garage.
Okay, she found the garage, folks. She found the garage. She loves cars.
There's no car in there.
No, but you love cars. So she found the garage. So this is how we came in. Okay, so we should go upstairs now. So this is a staircase that leads upstairs. It's a very industrial feel to it. You have some cables. The cables don't really support it, but this is just for aesthetic. And you have nice maple wood stairs. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs. Let's go.
This is to the master bedroom. We're gonna pass here and then go over here first.
So you do have a balcony next to the master. Don't forget that. So the balcony opens to the pool outside too, which is good.
And this is your master bedroom. Very spacious.
So you have a built-in library in here, which is good for your books. And then behind the door, behind the headboard is another set of cabinetry. And then this is the closet. So you have your normal, your tub. This side only have one sink.
Because this is his.
This is his.
Yeah, and that's her.
Thank you for showing me his first. And this is hers.
I mean, a small little makeup sink. And
Yes.
all that.
But definitely this house is all about the lifestyle and the view. Really. The bathroom is not as big as normally it should be, but okay. And then you have a corridor that leads to the other 3 bedrooms. Wow, this house keeps surprising me. So there's another laundry room upstairs by the master, in case you don't want to go to the other side. And there's another standing shower here. Look at how the glass pivot. That's a nice touch. Sitting bench, you have your bidet. And then you have ample of space. So this is one full bathroom that's here, not even the bedroom. Is that Eddie Murphy? Michael Jackson? Yes. And then here you have the second bedroom. Again, look at the ceiling treatment. So the ceiling treatment is amazing in here. And of course, this is a closet actually. So here's the bathroom for that bedroom. So I guess the two bedrooms will be sharing bathrooms. So the layout is not really the norm in here, but the house makes up for it. Yes, go ahead.
And this one they're using as a gym. So this is the other bedroom that's converted into a gym.
Okay. Again, this is closet space. So this balcony overlooks the front. So do you understand, Carsa? So like, it's not the normal setup, but nonetheless, you know, in terms of bathroom and bedrooms. So like this one, if you really think about this bedroom, they share that bathroom. And then there's another bathroom all by itself around this way. So this is the reason why you see the master only came with one sink, because they had a whole bathroom to themselves. Okay.
So in a nutshell, this is what the home looked like. It's $12 million. It could be
19. Stop discounting the house.
It's 19 million. I'm sorry. No discount. I'm sorry.
She just wants to buy it for 12 because she knows we only have 12.
Maybe. But this is the home in a nutshell, and absolutely love it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And give me a thumbs up. See you later.
Yes. She looks so pretty going down the stairs. So one of the great amenity in the house, actually that door, there's a door that closes the entrance. As you enter the house, you are greeted by what is considered a fourth bedroom, or it could be an office, but I just like how it's secluded from the entire house. Now granted, you could open these glass doors, slide them, and you'll have access to the whole backyard. As you can see, this comes with its own bathroom. So like I said, you know, this will be a great place to make an office, mother-in-law suite, an older child, you know, that you want to have their own privacy. That is awesome. And then you have this long rectangle window with shelves. This is a great touch. So this is all you see as you are entering the courtyard of the house. And again, don't forget, this is all the length of the pool. So here we are, leaving. This was an amazing house. One thing I forgot to point out, look at the bifold of the garage. This is not something you see every day. And if you look, you'll see the heavy dutiness of the iron that's in there, the beams. Ready to go? Okay, if you're watching this, you need to make an offer.